Hey guys, today we're going to go over the 2022 Rockwood Roo. This is the 233S. So this is a hybrid trailer. So if you guys are just kind of getting into the market about what a hybrid is or what they have to offer, go ahead and pay attention really close on here. There's a lot of really great features to really fall in love with on a hybrid trailer. So the first thing that you're going to notice is that hybrid, right? You get a hard-sided trailer, but you have these pop-outs on the side. This is one huge benefit of this, is that you don't have these beds taking up space on the inside of the trailer. So what do you get? You get a massive amount of walk-around space on the inside that I'm going to show you in just a second, as well as a lot of storage space. So we'll get to the interior in just a minute. I can't wait to show you that. Coming alongside here, you get your frameless windows that you always get with a Rockwood product. Frameless windows are standard. You can get an option for thermopane windows that are your insulated dual pane glass. So make sure you talk to your salesman when you put one of these together. There is a ton of options that you can get for your new Rockwood Roo. Nice outside storage compartment. You get your solid triple steps right here. Now coming on back here, a lot of you folks out there that have had RVs before, you typically upgrade your tires to the Goodyear Endurance tires. One thing about what Rockwood does on all Rockwood products, they come standard with the Goodyear Endurance tires. Very nice wheel for the 2022 year. These things are looking a whole lot better and better and better than what they even were just a few years ago. Now, here on the back side, you get your second pop-out. This is going to be your second queen size bed. Now, when I say queen, these are a residential size queen bed. So on the 233, you actually get 3 60 by 80 queen beds. That's a lot of sleeping. So you get a whole lot of sleeping space and a whole lot of walk-around space with your 233S. And while we're back here, I wanted to talk with you about our social media. We're going to be found on all social media platforms. We're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now we're even on TikTok. Go ahead and follow us. If you're liking this video so far, go ahead and hit the like button, hit subscribe, so you can see all the new things that we're getting into almost on a daily basis. Now over here on this side of the trailer, you get your third 60 by 80 queen bed pop-out. So again, each one of these could sleep 2 people. So when you're talking about it, you get 2, 4, 6, and you even get the slide, which you're going to have some more sleeping space in that. So if you got a big family, you want to have all the space you can get, this hybrid trailer is a really good option. You get a nice outside kitchen here. So coming inside on the 233S, as I said, a lot of sleeping space. You have this sofa right here, this couch, and it actually jackknifes down. So there's a sleeping spot. Here's your front 60 by 80 queen bed. This is your front pop out. This is the bracket that holds it up. It's actually extremely easy to set up, so don't be intimidated by that. You get overhead storage right here. You get cabinets here, and then you get your slide right here. Now inside of the slide, you get this huge U-shaped dinette. This U-shaped dinette does turn into a bed. You get more sleeping space right here, as well as a very comfortable place to sit and eat. This one in particular has, it's got the roller shades. This is an additional option. So when you pull those shades, and they automatically roll up. Now this is an option. If you like that option, make sure you're talking to your salesman about all the options that you can get on a Rockwood, because there is a lot of them. When you go through this, just ask your salesman, how can I customize this the way I want it? And say the roller shades, say the thermopane windows, say you want something else here other than the dinette. There's a whole lot of options that you can choose on a Rockwood Roo. Now, coming around to the back side of the living area here, as I said, this is a ton of space in here. You don't get this kind of space in a camper that's this length, this weight, without having these pop-outs, and then you add a slide to it, man, you just get a whole lot of space. So, as I said, if you have a big family, this is going to be a very good option for you. Or if you just want a whole lot of space, this is a very good option for you. You get a nice little TV center right here, Bluetooth radio. You get these storage compartments everywhere, microwave, range cooktop, and stove, stainless steel double sinks. You get storage all underneath, residential fixtures, and moving over here, then you get your gas electric refrigerator, which standard on this trailer is actually going to be a 12-volt refrigerator, because all Rockwood products now actually come standard with solar on the roof that you can expand to an additional 190 watt panel. This customer particularly wanted to have the old school style gas electric, tried and true. He's nice and comfortable in knowing that this functions the way that they always have. Now, coming into the back side of the trailer here, you look over on your right, you get your the third bed. This is going to be your 60 by 80 queen pop-out bed. You have storage above, and you have these huge storage compartments up underneath. And then moving down the aisle, you get another storage compartment underneath to where you can crawl into bed number 2. This is another 60 by 80 queen bed. And of course, all these pop-outs have windows that you can zip open to get fresh air in, or you can look outside. These things are really cool. There's definitely not a lack of space in one of these things. Now, coming into the bathroom, as you expect with the Rockwood product, they all come standard with your 310 porcelain toilet. Right above the toilet, you get this huge towel cabinet right underneath your max air ventilation fan. And inside the shower, this is going to be a corner style shower with a skylight. It's got a shower miser installed. That is standard on all Rockwood products, so you can make sure you have hot water without actually wasting water. And you get your nice medicine cabinet, little shelf, and a nice deep sink to do all your hygiene. Hey guys, thanks again for coming along with me into the 233S. This is the Rockwood Roo, 3 queen beds. A whole lot to love about this thing. I really hope you guys love this thing as much as I do. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, follow us, and see all the stuff that we're getting into. We have tech tips, we have parts of the week, extras, all kinds of things. Give your salesman a call. Give us a call over here at 937-843-4380.